This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept double array, from index and to index. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort merge that breaks the array into subarrays, and that subarrays are themselves sorted and then merged. So compared to normal sort, parallel sort is faster. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the double array. Then I am calling a parallel sort method of arrays class and passing double array and from indexes 0, which is this position, and to indexes 4, which is this position, and from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. So this range of double values will be sorted. Here you can see the output, and this range of double values are sorted in ascending order. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.